Hey, I'm Chad and I want to tell you a little about Canary. Canary is an all-in-one home automation unit that claims to do so much. Not really a home security solution since there's no professional monitoring involved or any of the stuff a proper home security system should provide. If you're looking for a great home security solution, check out FontPoint. So here's what FontPoint's all about. Amazing online customer reviews, by far the best reviews I have ever seen. They sell completely wireless systems. They're totally cellular, so their systems are safer than traditional phone line systems. All of their systems and monitoring packages come with a 30-day trial. Not happy? Return the system for a full refund. Extremely easy to install. To get a free quote or learn more about FontPoint and their services, all you have to do is click the link below and you'll be directed to their website. Thanks.